So my project is how origami and geometry correlate. So for my year-long project, I'm planning on creating a kusudama butterfly. It consists of over 500 steps, and at Longhouse, it'll fit in the gallery because it's a delicate thing and it can't be left outside to in the rain, the wind, whatnot. So it can be kept inside. It'll match with the other types of work that's there because most people have work that consists of origami shapes, of mathematics, geometry, so it'll fit in there. So in most origami, you can see triangles being formed. In this one, you can see a bunch of equilateral triangles and how they begin to expand. And it's not only here, but it's all around the ball. And it's interesting because you can imagine that one big piece of paper being folded to create this ball. So in this piece of origami, you can see how there are different triangles which begin to spiral around. And with right triangles, you couldn't do that because they would just match up perfectly in a line. They wouldn't do anything. But since they're over 90 degrees, they would begin to spiral because of how they match up. They'd spiral around rather than just creating a full circle. Similar to a systems course that I'm taking currently, it's chaotic because first it goes in a straight line and then it just begins to spiral around and around. And there really is no ending point because the spirals will just continue. And they won't get bigger or smaller. They'll just stay in the same exact shape as they will throughout the entire period. There are different triangles which are forming a bigger pyramid. Triangles are like nodes, a bunch of smaller nodes being combined to create a complex dynamical system, which is basically what origami is. So if you combine all the nodes with different links, then they can become this one big dynamical system.